tattoo Aruba. I know it's
she like when I rap, I love it when I sing to her. She can't get enough, and I can't get enough.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Kai, college state, whatever you want to say. I used to be with another video. If you're new, if you're what's good, what's poppin'. If you're a returning subscriber, what's good, what's poppin' as well, bitch. Okay. So today I'm here to give you guys a hair review on this hair right here from Lavy hair. I'll get into more detail in the video, and also how I do my natural everyday makeup look. I was gonna do a Christmas makeup look for you guys, but listen, it was just too much going on, whereas though the lighting on my screen didn't look right, and it just didn't look, I didn't like how it looked, so I didn't give it to you guys. And then by the time I went to do another one, this whole weekend I was busy, and then you know it was Christmas, and I'm here now, and I've been sick, so I'm here now for you guys, okay? So I had to give you guys a video. But before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications so y'all know I'm posting a video, and follow me on social media. So for this hair, I was contacted by Annie from Lavy Hair. She contacted me, asking could we do like a collab, I get some hair, I did a video. I was like, yeah, sure. So now I got the hair in my head. How it was sent, it wasn't so, I didn't get it sent as a wig, I had to go get it made. So I'm gonna show you guys, how it looked. When I got it, it's the 3 bundles of Peruvian body wave, and it's 2 inches of, I said 2 inches, 2 bundles of 18 inches and 1 bundle of 20 inch, and then I have a 16-inch closure, and it's their new arrival 2x6 closure. So it's a really small, slim closure, but it has a lot of hair on it, you know what I mean? Me personally, I don't like closures, because closures to me make it seem like a wig is really a wig. You know what I mean? Like with frontals, you can do the edges and everything, but a closure is a closure. That's it. And I feel like I can probably make some little baby hairs, but I'm not really sitting here trying to do it because I don't, nope, it's fine how it is. But the hair itself is really good. It's really dense, and it's not, too thin, or it's not too thick where you can't really do nothing to it. The curls is nice and full, and I love the color Diamond. Okay, let me give you her Instagram for the wig construction. _diamond.c. She constructed this wig for me, and she also dyed it blue. This is really, it's bomb. Like you can just throw this type on. But like I said, I just don't like closures because it just makes it give me like a fake look, and I don't like that. Like, even my boyfriend, he just texted me when I sent him a picture. He said it looks good, but you can tell it's a wig. And which you can, like you can see. Like, you can just tell it's the wig, you know what I mean? But the hair itself is like really good. So I can say that. Of course, I'll do like an updated review to give you guys a little bit more on the hair so you guys can see if it's really good or not. I'm not gonna just say it's good the first time. So I want to let you guys know, like, keep up with the hair. I like the hair. Like it didn't have that bad corn chip smell. It's not too thin, not too thick. My fingers can run through it, like y'all, my fingers. It's not getting tangled at the end. It's not shedding either as I pull my fingers out. Like, let me actually try to pull my fingers together and get some hair out. Nope, no hair. And like, just comb it through the curls, just make it a little bit more body. A little bit more body. Yeah, I really like this. Like this, I like it. Like, I just wish maybe the closure looked a little bit more realistic, or I don't know, but I mean, I really like the wig though. Like, I like the hair. Like, yes. So if you guys need any wig construction, _diamond.c can get you the wig, honey. Just give her the bundles and she can construct your wig for you. And this hair is from Lavy Hair. And use my code Kai at the end of your purchase for $10 off. I'm gonna put their website. I'm gonna put all the information for everything in the link. In the description box down below, so you guys can go, get onto it. So yeah, this is the Peruvian body wave hair, and I got this made into a wig. It's 3 bundles and a closure. Yeah. Okay, so I feel like an alien right now with these pins in my hair, but besides the point. So first thing I always do is I put Carmex on my lips. I already did that. I forgot I was supposed to be recording that. But yeah, so I put some Carmex on my lips so my lips can be moisturized throughout the whole thing. And also I did moisturize my face with the Pond's. So it's good to moisturize your face with like a lotion and not just a primer. Or some people I know that don't use a primer, they just moisturize their face. So whatever works best for you is what works best for you, bitch, okay? So yeah. So for my brows, I'm gonna use this brow pencil. Y'all know I never use a brow pencil, but we're doing a different look today. Brow pencils are more so like, not to say just for natural looks, but they're more subtle kind of, you know what I mean? Unless you're using a heavy hand and whatever. But and like the pomades are more darker or fuller brow looks. So I was sent this brow pencil from this company called The Look by Joy. I did use this pencil already. I like the pencil. Like, it's really, I never like pencils simply because I just don't like, I don't know, I don't like the feel of pencils, but I like this pencil right here. So it's the double-sided. It has the spoolie on one side. It came with a cover. I lost it already, so yeah. And then the other side is the actual pencil side. So when it comes to doing my brows, all I do is go up. And I don't put primer on my face until after I'm done my brows. Like, I like to make sure my brows, nothing's going to make it slip and slide. So I'm just going to go start the bottom line. And when I'm doing this, I more so go upward. You guys see what I'm doing? So it's not the whole pomade type of thing when I go like boom, boom. Because then it's like, I don't know, it's going to give me that full makeup look type of deal, if you know what I'm saying. And when it comes to right here, I'm going to fill it in. Like that, like that. Like, you want your brows to look full but natural, so not too heavy, you know what I mean? What color is this? Deep brunette. This comes in the color deep brunette. So it's not going to be too dark on my brows, because y'all know I like to use black on my brows. I like dark brows. Not everybody likes dark brows, that I've learned. I'm like, why? Like, you know, I like when my brows stand out. That's mainly why I like the dark brows, but we all have our own preferences. So yeah, there's that on that. So I tried this Ruby Kisses concealer, and it's really, I really like this concealer. I got this color in the color, Rich Caramel. So yeah, I got this one in Rich Caramel, and I got another one in Medium Beige. This does come with an applicator. I just don't, you know, I want it to be precise, so I'm using my brush. So I just take the product off of the one underneath. So you just go underneath your brow just to clean it up. Concealer is going to conceal what you don't want people to see. You feel me? That's how I do that. I usually use a different brush to blend this in, but I'm being lazy right now, so I'm just using the same brush I used to put it on to blend this out. Okay, so that's that for the brows. For my face, for the primer, I do use two primers. The poreless one first, just to, this is the Too Faced. I'm gonna put this, I don't put this all over my face. I usually just put it like right here on my nose. Yeah, no, I don't put it right there. Yo, I look so tired, like, look at my bags. I'm sleepy. Like, I've been sick for like 2 weeks, you guys, and like I was busy trying to make sure everybody had like a Christmas gift, at least more than one gift. So yeah, that's kind of why I haven't been posting videos like that for the past 2 weeks. So yeah, I was sick during Christmas time. Busy trying to get Christmas gifts together, trying to make sure everything's coming on time for my relaunch, and it's so hectic. This is a necklace I'm going to be selling, one of the necklaces styles I'm going to be selling. It's a custom number necklace. So yeah, you can get, make sure you guys can see. This is a 1999, it's my birthday year. So yeah, you can get any numbers you would like. So stay tuned for that. I will be on my website this weekend, so just more things to have to deal with. Then after you use the Wet n Wild primer, like so, get a little bit like that. This is a dewy one, it's like an illuminator, so it's gonna like make your face pop a little bit. So we're gonna put it on my face like this. Did you guys enjoy your Christmas? Okay, so this could be a topic to talk about as well. Some people not celebrating Christmas, or this year not a lot of people had a good Christmas because it was like so overwhelming, or money wasn't looking right, or whatever the case may be. I was seeing on like Twitter how, you know, some families aren't big on holidays, or like not, some people may not have a big family, or whatever the case may be. I do, like, now I look at it differently since I'm getting older, that like it's nice to be around family for the holidays. Like, I really don't be caring when I get no more, because it's like you don't know that what next time, or you don't know when you might see somebody again, so it's like very, you know, nice to just sit back and enjoy family time, make a couple videos to have for memories, and, you know, just spend time with each other. Because not a lot of people get to, if you are blessed enough to have that, why not take advantage of it and enjoy it while you can, because you never know. Like I said, you never know when something may go wrong or whatever the case may be. I didn't even tell you what foundation I'm putting on my face. Oh my god, I'm over here talking. This is why I don't talk and do makeup. But I'm using the matte poreless, I said clear, classic tan. This is in the color, the number 335. Is that what it is? Yeah, 335 classic tan. The matte poreless is the shade that I'm going to use today. And I'm going to use my Real Technique sponge. Yo, it's clean, but it's like staying forever. And this is like my third one I got already. So it's like, yeah. So, since this is also a natural makeup look, so you don't want to put too much foundation on to look cakey or like, you know, just minimal. But yeah, back to the Christmas thing. Like, don't stress. I mean, Christmas is over, so, but like in the future, don't like stress it if you can't like get certain things for other people, especially if like, I feel like if you speak with them or tell them what's going on, they'll kind of understand a little bit more, you know, your situation. Most people don't like to tell people that they don't have it. Like, you know, they don't want to tell somebody that they can't get it. So then that person expecting to get, because you may tell them like, oh, not this year, you know, just speak up. But hey, not everybody likes to speak on certain things like that. So not gonna force it, Use my air spun. I got this from Walmart. I'm gonna use my air spun just to put where my smile lines are. Just get a little bit on a little sponge. Got this from the beauty supply store as well. I'm just gonna grab call it. Alright, so for concealer under my eyeballs, we're gonna use the same color that I use. No, I'm not gonna use that. I'm lying. I am gonna use it, but I'm gonna mix it. So I'm gonna use it's an Adri Rhine from Maybelline. Bitch, I'm running out. Because it says it erase. This is a dark circle eraser. So, bitch, y'all, first of all, y'all see my dark eyes and my dark circles. So we're gonna use this. This is in the shade Golden Doré. I feel like I had this problem last video, so I'm not gonna sit here and try to keep pronouncing this damn name. So we're going to do under my eyes. We're gonna put this under my eyeballs. Like that. I'm not gonna do all the drawing out. This is more so a natural look. A bitch is just trying to cover up her goddamn bags, cause bitch, they something serious. Christmas this year, it did come back fast, like real fast. But I'm just glad everybody had a good Christmas in my family. Well, majority. So yeah, some people are just very, you know, just not understood. They're not really festive people, which I understand, but like, don't try to ruin it for somebody else. Like, a lot of people on Instagram, like, I'm not in a Christmas spirit, like, but so we're going to put the concealer I use under my brows on top of where I put this one, because that concealer I put on first is more so like a light bright, you know, light bright concealer, and I use that just to cover up my dark circles, and then I put this over top to bring back, you know, a more neutral color, so it's not too bright and it won't look white under my eyes. So contour stick, this is a foundation contour stick. It's from the brand Iman and First 7. I got this from like Walgreens or something like that. Like this, and we're going to boom, boom. I'm working on the railroad, all fucking day. Y'all see this fucking bump? I mean, y'all see that bump since I got on camera, but besides the point. I'm just going to flip the brush, because the sponge has, on this side has the concealer colors, and on this smaller side has the contour stick, or foundation stick, whatever you're going to call it, it has it on the other side. So, yeah. So, and this one has the foundation color. So, we're going to blend my nose so it's not harsh lines. So, whatever you put cream on, you put powder on. It's just, then you got to go by, okay? You got to go by it. So, I'm going to put my air spun on first. So, my under eye will start creasing, because bitch, you be creasing, bitch. She be creasing. She be creasing. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna dust that away. I don't really bake my face per se. I just put it on. And all the excess powder can go. I don't need it. Like I said, I'm going to use this shade right here. And I kind of do the air sponge first simply because that is, you know, like a white, pale, pink color. And I don't want that to go over top of my contour, because then it's like, what was the point of me doing the contour, you know what I mean? So this is darker, so it's gonna bring out the makeup a little bit more. So I do spray my face with water, just plain water once I put all the powder on. It's cold water. Cold water closes your pores, so like when you're cleaning your face in the morning or night, hot water opens your pores and cold water closes your pores. So it's good to rinse your face off with cold water after you do everything so your pores close up, because the hot water obviously opens them up and just makes them exposed to everything. So yeah, that's date on date. I think I'm gonna use both today. I really love my highlight pen from the Billy Boutique. You guys need to buy one, bitch. You need to buy one. This is the bomb. Like literally, this highlight is just so pigmented and so easy just to put on. You don't gotta do nothing extra. Like with this one, I had to wet my brush to make it look popping. You know, but then again, some highlights you can already go buy one. You don't have to do all of that. You know what I mean? So up to you, personal preference. So I think I'm gonna use my Billy Boutique because I want y'all to really see how pigmented this is on its own. So this is the pen. You just press the end like that, and then you put it on the side of your face. You guys about to see. There we go. It's right there. And you're gonna see, there you go. You guys saw it come out. So I put it on my face like that. It's really pretty. Like it's really. I love that it comes with its own applicator. So you just press a button and start brushing the shit on. Okay, sorry, my boyfriend and uncle was on the phone. So I'm going to put these lashes on real quick. My lash vendor is always sending me some lash samples. I really feel like this is just another pair of the ones I asked her to give me, but to sell, I don't think so. I don't know. They all look these two look kind of similar, but I will be selling a style similar to this, but it's a little bit more dramatic than this one. So if you're looking for a little bit more something dramatic, bitch, I got you. Okay. Alright, so I will be getting my lashes on Monday, so y'all, it's ready. It's everything ready to pop and bitch. Okay, okay. So I'm gonna put these lashes on real quick. I always get teary eyed when I put on lashes. But like, I don't tear up like some people do. Like, no, you don't have people with makeup, they be tearing the fuck up. I'm like, bitch, man the fuck up. Cause like when you tear up, it's not gonna stick. And that makes me mad when it don't stick. Oh bitch, I put my lash on camera for y'all. See, I put my lash on. I'm gonna put the other one on real quick so you guys can like get into it, okay? Okay, so I'm going to put a little bit of mascara. I kinda wanna add just a tad bit more highlight because bitch, I want my face to be listening home. So I want to use the Master Chrome. I would just put this one in these two spots. I don't put it on the side because I already put the glow pen on the side. Okay. Okay, so I get the Ruby Kisses menthol lip that I was telling y'all about. Got this from the beauty supply store. And I used this one. This was Hard Candy in the color Baby Doll. Look. I used Baby Doll. Got it from Walmart. Or wherever you know they sell hard candy. And then I'm going to use the clear gloss on top just to make it glossy. Just to make it glossy. Like that. Blend it in. We're going to just take these off. Like for some reason I feel like I did not put glue on my lip. I don't know if I put glue on it or what's going the fuck on. But yeah, I don't know if I didn't put no glue on it. So yeah, I'm gonna take my hair out, like, you know, let it come out, let the blue show, bitch. So yeah, this is how, this is basically how my makeup looks on a regular day basis. Something natural, not too much, because I know a lot of people don't really like having too much makeup on. It doesn't feel like we have a lot of makeup on anyway. But yeah, this is the makeup look that I got for you guys, okay?